It's time for the lightning round. Chris, that's right. Broke calls, no, the same name as talk. I tell you about buy, sell, just to go to the caller stock questions ahead of time. My staff prepares the graphics on the fly. You play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski? Time for the lightning round. Chris, let's go to Ross in California. Ross.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill.
What's happening?
My question for you, with all the talk of data centers and the need for energy, it appears that the largest concentration of data centers is in Northern Virginia. What do you think about Dominion Energy?
I think Dominion Energy is a buy. I think it's out 4.6% yield, and you're absolutely right. We need cheap power. Everyone's buying all the companies that are related to nuclear. Sometimes you have to stick with the tried and true. Dominion's fine. How about Austin in Oklahoma? Austin.
Hey, Jimmy, how's it going?
I'm doing well. How about you, Austin?
Oh, not too bad, man. I was calling to ask you about a coffee company. And it's not Starbucks. I'm here to talk about Dutch Bros, BROS.
I like Dutch Bros. I'm glad that they slowed their expansion. It was kind of willy-nilly. I hate to see that. That's something that the bankers often talk you into. And I'm feeling it's much on steadier ground now as Christine Brun running the joint. Let's go to Larry in North Carolina. Larry.
Hi.
Hi.
Jim, I'm concerned about Supermicro computers. They've had some misconduct. What do you think of them?
You know what? I need to see the financials file. There was I don't ever like to see a short seller of some renown go after a company, and then the next day the company put out a release saying that they can't get their financials together. They get their financials together, then this stock is a very cheap stock, but I've got to be sure. Let's go to James in Virginia. James.
Hey, Mr. Cramer. I'm a first-time caller, long-time listener of the show.
Excellent. Excellent. What's going on?
I own a small position in Jackson Financial, ticker symbol JXN. It pays a nice dividend, and I've doubled my investment over the past year. I was wondering, should I buy more, hold, or sell some and take the profit?
I don't understand a company that has a 1 PE. I have to do work on that. That does not sound like something I necessarily feel comfortable recommending without doing more work, but thank you. How about we go to Jonathan, my home state of Pennsylvania. Jonathan.
A huge thank you for all you do, Jim, and a big Bucks County booyah to ya.
Oh, my God. Well, you know how much I love Bucks County. I will be there in 2 weeks. How can I help?
Hey, man, look forward to seeing you.
Thank you.
Jim, I'm part of the investing club. I love how the club is open to ideas from members and how your staff and yourself provide us. You guys give us these fantastic educational pieces. So my request, if I could be so bold, is about whether I should be concerned when I'm looking at the operating cash flow and net cash flow of a company. For example, is there cause for concern with the operating cash flow of $1.23 billion versus net cash flow of negative $482 million of LyondellBasell?
Yeah, there is. I mean, I don't like that at all. But, it actually is a very well-run company. So I'd be more concerned if I didn't know management and didn't think the management was actually real good. But it's not a stock that I'm recommending. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, just do it. Lessons from this week's Change at Top Nike. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.